Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set A6 paper size in Excel. So very easily you can set this paper size in Excel. So firstly you need to click on here, change layout. Now click on size. In here you can see the firstly scroll down and you see this paper size A6. If you not find here, so click on more paper size here, click on here and you can see very easily. Scroll down and select this A6, find and select it and click on OK. So very easily you can set it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.